Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before entering into the previous discussion, I would like to introduce myself. Introduce my name. My name is Adi Herianto with NPM number 23411014. Okay, so here I will explain about mathematical models. What is a mathematical model? A mathematical model is an abstract representation of a system, concept, or phenomenon. Using mathematical language, mathematical models are used to describe, analyze, and predict the behavior of a system of phenomena that exist in the real world. Mathematical models consist of elements such as variables, equations, functions, rules, and parameters. In mathematical models, variables are used to describe characteristics or conditions that can change in a system. Equations are used to relate these variables and show the relationship between them. Mathematical functions are used to describe the mathematical relationship between these variables. Rules and parameters are used to provide certain constraints and conditions in the system. Mathematical models can be used in various fields such as physics, economics, biology, engineering, and so on. For example, in physics, mathematical models are used to describe and predict the motion of objects, electric fields, or the behavior of subatomic particles. In economics, mathematical models are used to analyze relationship between supply, economic growth, or investment decisions. Mathematical models help us understand and visualize complex aspects of the real world through mathematical representations that are easier to understand and analyze. Functions of mathematical models. Mathematical models have several important functions in the context of science and problem solving. Following are some of the main functions of mathematical models. 1. Conceptual representation. Mathematical models help in representing complex concepts in an abstract manner in various fields of science such as physics, economics, biology, etc. Mathematical models are used to describe the relationship between the variables involved in the system or phenomenon being studied. Number 2. Analysis and understanding. Mathematical models are used to analyze and understand complex phenomena or systems. By using mathematical tools such as equations, functions, integrals, differentials, etc., we can study the properties of systems in more detail. Mathematical models allow us to identify patterns, behaviors, trends, or cause-effect relationship that may be hidden in the data or observed phenomena. Number 3. Prediction and forecasting. One of the main functions of mathematical models is to predict behavior or outcomes that may occur in the future. Using mathematical models, we can combine relevant data and parameters to make predictions about how the system will change or react in certain situations. A good mathematical model can provide accurate predictions and help in making better decisions. Number 4. Hypothesis testing and validation. Mathematical models can be used to test proposed hypotheses or theories. By applying mathematical models to empirical data or certain situations. We can see to that extent the model is able to explain the observed phenomena. This testing helps in validating or improving mathematical models and provides new insights into the concept or theory being researched. Number 5. Optimization and decision making. Mathematical models can be used to optimize decisions or solve complex problems in various fields such as operations management, logistics, finance, or engineering. Mathematical models are used to find the best solutions that minimize costs, maximize profits, or optimize the use of limited resources. Overall, mathematical models serve as powerful tools for representing, analyzing, predicting, validating, and solving problems in various fields of science and problem solving. Form of mathematical models. Mathematical models can take various forms depending on the context and goals of modeling. Following are some common forms of mathematical models. Number 1. Deterministic model. A deterministic model describes a definite mathematical relationship between the variables involved in the system. For example, deterministic differential equations are used to model change in quantities over time based on known mathematical relationship. Number 2. Probabilistic models. Probabilistic models are used when there is uncertainty or variability in the system. This model uses probability theory to model probability distributions and accounts for random factors. For example, mathematical models that use probability distributions such as the normal distribution or Poisson distribution can be used to model random events or stochastic variables. Number 3. Statistical model. Statistical models are used to analyze empirical data and describe the relationship between variables based on statistical analysis. For example, linear regression models are used to model linear relationships between dependent and independent variables based on empirical data. Number 4. Simulation models. Simulation models are used to model complex systems by simulating the behavior and interactions between system components. Simulation models can use mathematical equations, functions, and given rules to describe the system. These models allow users to deserve and predict how the system will behave in various scenarios. Number 5. Optimization model. Optimization models are used to find the best or optimal solution in a particular situation. This model involves an objective function and constraints that must be met and uses mathematical methods such as linear optimization or non-linear optimization to find the optimal solution. Number 6. Network model. Network models are used to analyze and model the relationships between interconnected entities. For example, social network Models are used to model the social relationship between individuals in a population based on their connections or interactions. It is important to choose a form of mathematical model that is appropriate to the modeling objective, the nature of the system being studied, and the available data. Each form of model has its own strengths and limitations, and selecting the right one will help in understanding, predicting, or optimizing the system being studied.